Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For my video today, I have a tag video. It is called my top 5 videos on my channel. It was created by AKB Bags and I was tagged by my lovely friend Flo from Flo in the City. So actually she didn't tag me, she tagged everybody, but I like the idea so much I decided that I was going to go ahead and do the video. So I'm going to just get right into it today. Top 5 videos of my channel, and it was very fun to look back and remember some of the videos that I have made. So I'm going to go in reverse order. Number 5 is my video called How to Cut a Designer Belt. So at the time I decided that I wanted to purchase a designer belt. I got this Gansini belt from Ferragamo, and they only had one size available online. So I decided, because it is a reversible belt and I know that it has this removable clip on it, I decided that I was just going to go ahead and buy it, and then I was just going to cut it to suit me. And when I did that, I decided to make a video showing other people how to do that, because I thought I'm probably not the only one out there who wants a belt but is tired of waiting for their size, or maybe doesn't know which size they need. We're not all able to have complete access to all the designer stores. Where I live, I'm at least 2 hours away from designer stores, and I saw the belt online. I wanted to pick it up, but I didn't know the size, so I just got the one size and then I cut it down. It was really pretty simple, and I'm actually surprised that this video did so well, because yeah, it was just like a spur of the moment kind of video. All right, my number 4 video is one called Comparing Louboutin Heel Heights. So I am a shoe fanatic. In case you don't know that, if you follow my channel, you probably do. But in case you don't know, I do love my shoes, probably even more than I love handbags. And I do love Louboutin shoes. I think they are so, so elegant. So I don't have a huge collection. I actually have 4 pairs. And again, the idea for the video came because I was looking at them and I realized that they were all different heel heights. So I have pretty much all the heel heights that are available, and I'll show you 2 just to start you off. So this is a very, very high heel right here. And then this one is a slightly lower. I think this is the 100, this is the 85, and then I have a 70, and reach for it over here. I think this is 70, so this is definitely more of a wearable type of heel, and then I even have a kitten heel as well. So I thought I would do a video comparing those heel heights, because I know a lot of people are never sure what height to get, how they're going to style them, and so forth. So I just styled up a couple outfits with my 4 different pairs of Louboutin heels. I love Louboutin heels. They are, I agree, not the most comfortable shoes out there, but I don't struggle with them as much as some people do. I find them to be reasonably comfortable for a high heel. And if you are interested in getting a pair of Louboutins and not sure about the heel height, I recommend you watch that video. Okay, for number 3, this video is called Can You Wear Combat Boots Over 50? And this one again came about because there are a lot of myths about what you can and cannot wear when you are over the age of 50. And so I thought I would give it a try, style up some outfits with combat boots that would look appropriate, age appropriate, I guess. You know, not that you're trying to look like your college daughter or your potentially even granddaughter at this point, but just, you know, to wear for yourself because you like fashion. So I thought it would be a fun video to do, and it turns out you guys really liked that one. So that was one that really took off kind of quickly, and I was very pleased with that one. So you can check that one out if you're interested in some combat boot styles for yourself. All right, number 2, and this one kind of surprised me as well. This is restoring my vintage Coach bag. And this is my vintage Coach bag here. So I inherited this from my mother. When she was ailing, we had to go clean out her house, and we were cleaning out her closets. and I found this bag, and of course it's a Coach bag, so it is quite vintage. It's absolutely so well made and so beautiful. Even looking at it now, I just love this bag. The color of it is gorgeous, but it was a little rough for you know, for me to use because it had been sitting in her closet for a pretty good long time. It did have some ink marks on it. It was a little bit dusty. It was a little bit, you know, smudged and not looking its best. It had a lot of scratches on it and so forth. So I decided to clean it up, and if you have seen that video, you might know that my method of cleaning it is basically to wash it. I actually used Dawn dishwashing liquid, and I soaked the bag and then dried it out, and you know, it's intense drying out. You have to make sure that the bag is completely dry, and then I got a really nice leather conditioner and I conditioned it all up, and I feel like it is really looking fantastic. I don't use this bag a ton, but when I do use it, I'm reminded time and time again and how much I absolutely love this bag. So it's definitely a classic and timeless. And if you are someone who loves Coach bags and you're maybe looking to buy one but you're not sure it's in the condition that you want it to be, have a look at that video, and you can give that method a try. It worked very well for me, and I can highly recommend just washing it and conditioning it. Okay, and my number one video is my Louis Vuitton Neverfall versus Graceful video. And this one kind of, is what really surprised me. It was just an idea I had for a video because at the time, this was a relatively new bag in my collection. This is my Graceful in the MM size. And I also have the Neverfall in the MM size as well. And because the Graceful was kind of new, actually I think it was sort of brand new for Louis Vuitton at the time that I purchased mine, I thought that there might be other people out there who would be interested in a comparison between the two bags, because online they kind of look similar, but in reality they don't really wear the same at all. The Neverfall is very much a tote, whereas this bag is really more of a hobo. So what I did was just compare them, how to wear them, how much capacity they have, and the ease and the function of getting in and out of the bag. And that one is my number one video to this day. So I will link all those videos down below in case you are interested in taking a look at them. And I will also link AKB Bags video, who started the tag. And I'm going to be like Flo and not necessarily tag any of my friends out there. Just if you are a YouTuber and you like this tag idea, then go ahead and show us what your top 5 videos are. I would love to see them. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care.